How to replace your latex neck gasket on your dry suit. It isn't rocket science, so don't be scared. If you're time poor, we can do it for you. What you will need is a round repair board, 2 half-circle clamp rings, 6 springs, and a pot to hold the gasket. Some wax paper or baking paper, double-sided sticky tape, sharp scissors, sandpaper, Aquaseal, and of course, a new gasket. The trickiest and most time-consuming aspect is to line the repair board and the 2 half-circle clamp rings with baking paper or wax paper so the Aquaseal does not bond to them if there's overspill during the process. Now, time to get down to business and to cut out the old existing latex gasket. Before you cut, review this. You want to cut down and trim and leave at least a good inch and a half of the existing gasket that's glued to the Kokatat dry suit. On this case, it's actually inside the neck. I do recommend really sharp scissors. The sharper the scissors, the easier and neater the job. Once the gasket has been removed, turn the garment inside out so you have access to the inch and a half of existing gasket that is glued to the dry suit. Place double-sided sticky tape around the edge of the repair board. Insert the round repair board through the neck and pull it up and push the gasket down so it sticks to the double-sided sticky tape and holds flat. Then, in preparation for gluing, aquasealing, sand the gasket back so it all becomes dull and sanded. Then also sand the flat section of the new gasket so the Aquaseal, the old gasket and the new gasket will bond together strongly. Then proceed to turn the latex gasket inside out so you can see the manufacturing date. Pull the inside out gasket over the pot plant or yogurt container so the sanded section sits flat on the table. Before getting down to business and applying the Aquaseal, go through a mock run to see how the gasket fits on and the 2 half-circle ring clamps fit as well. Once you are happy that everything's going to fit together smoothly, apply the Aquaseal and smooth out with a paddle pop stick. With a controlled hover and drop, place the gasket onto the Aquaseal gasket and pull, push, maneuver, manipulate so it's all sitting flat and even and around the edge of the gasket. Work your way around and also give it a bit of a squish to make sure there's no air bubbles and do an initial squeeze to help it bond. Fit the 2 half-circle clamp rings. Utilize the spring clamps evenly around the 2 half-circle clamp rings and the repair board. Then set it aside for 6 to 12 hours so the Aquaseal can bond and dry properly, and admire your work. Well done. Then remove your spring clamps, your 2 half-circle clamp rings, your repair board, and then your pot plant, yogurt container, and head off for a paddle. You might have to stretch the gasket because it can be a little bit tight when it's new. The Kokatat Neck Gasket Toolkit and gaskets are available online at the Kayak Shop Australia, the kayaking specialists.